if the length of perpendicular from the point beta 0 beta to the line x by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 0 is equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 1 is root 3 by 2, then beta is equal to what here? There is a line segment here. Its equation here, x divided by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 0 is equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 1 here. Equation of this line here. And here is one point here. Consider this point as a P here. They are already given beta 0 beta here. And here PM perpendicular to this line here. So then they are already given its length is root 3 by 2 here. So length is root 3 divided by 2. The root of 3 by 2 here, like this. Then the beta is equal to what here? So from this line here, consider there is a point Q here. This point Q has a 0, 1 and minus 1 here. So 0, 1 and minus 1 means this line passing to the point 0, 1, minus 1 here. Okay, because the given line is given line is x minus 0 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 1 upon 0 is equal to z minus of minus 1 divided by minus 1 here. Okay, so this is the line here. This is a line passing through the point Q 0, 1, minus 1 here. So 0, 1, minus 1 along the vector, So I plus 0j minus of k or parallel to the vector. Okay, so along the vector or parallel to the vector here, I plus 0j minus of k. Okay, therefore here take this qm, means this vector as qm here. Qm is equal to I plus 0j minus of k. Then find here this vector here pq or qp. Therefore qp is given by OP minus of OQ. OP minus OQ. Therefore beta minus of 0. Beta minus 0 comma. Then 0 minus of 1 yes. So 0 minus of 1. Then beta minus of minus 1 yes. So beta minus of minus 1 yes. So that is beta I. Then the minus of j plus beta plus 1 into k. Beta I then minus j beta plus 1 into k. This is a vector qp. Okay. Then we know that from this diagram here, from the diagram, here. So qm cross of qps. QM cross of QP. Its modulus is given by modulus of QM into modulus of QP into sine of theta into sine theta. Then take here QP from this triangle here. So PM divided by QP or PQ is equal to what is sine theta. Suppose this angle is a theta. Okay, from the triangle here. So PM divided by QP is equal to sine of theta. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Take QP this side here. So PM is equal to QP into sine of theta. Therefore, QP sin theta, QP into sin theta is a PM here. Take the QM this side here. Modulus of QM loss of QP divided by modulus of QM, that is equal to PM, is equal to PM. Therefore, first you find your QM loss of QPF, QM loss of QP is equal to, here QM is this one, QP is this one, yes. Therefore, determinant of I, J, K. QM is 1, 0, minus 1 here. 1, 0, minus 1. And QP is this one here. So, right here beta. Then the minus of 1 here. Beta plus 1. Beta plus 1 here. Right here beta plus 1. Now, you expand the determinant here. I into 0 into this is a 0, minus 1 here. Minus of J. Beta plus 1 minus of beta into minus 1 minus beta minus 1 plus beta plus k into bracket minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus of 0. Yes, this equal to minus of I. It's a minus I. Then beta plus beta to beta minus of 2 beta plus 1 into j. Then minus of k minus of here. This is a QM cross of QP. Then it's a modulus here. Modulus of QM cross of QP is equal to root of, it is a minus 1 square here. Plus 2 beta plus 1 whole square. Minus of 2 beta plus 1 whole square. Plus minus of 1 square here. Minus 1 square. Is a minus of 1 square. Then this is equal to, simplify this one, root of 1 plus 2 beta plus 1 is a 4 beta square plus 1 plus 4 beta plus 1 here, that is equal to root of 4 beta square plus 4 beta plus 3 plus 3. And the modulus of QM here. So modulus of QM is equal to root of QM is this one here. So 1 space of 1 here plus 0 space of 0 plus and the minus 1 space of 1 here. It is a root of 12. Root of 12. Therefore, using this result here. Okay. Yes. From 1. Modulus of QM cross of QP is this here, root of 4 beta square plus 4 beta plus 3 divided by QM. Modulus of QM is root 2 here is equal to PM, and you know this side to PM is root 3 by 12. Root 3 divided by root of 3 by 2 like this here. Therefore, here 4 beta square, root of 4 beta square plus 4 beta plus 3 divided by root 2 is equal to root 3 upon root 2. Root 2 and root 2 cancels here. Squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides, it gives 4 beta square plus 4 beta plus 3 is equal to here. This 3 and this 3 cancels here. Then here I am writing here. So 4 beta common factor here. So 4 beta is a common here. Then beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence 4 beta is equal to 0. Beta plus 1 equal to 0. Hence beta is equal to 0 or beta is equal to minus 1 here. There are two values here. Beta is equal to 0 and beta equal to minus 1. Hence the answer is minus 1 here. minus 1 is the answer. So you can solve the same example using the one more method here. So take care of x plus x divided by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 0 is equal to z plus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to some constant t. Therefore, any pointer lies on the line is take a 1 on this side. 1 into t becomes t here. 0 into t becomes 0. Take minus 1 right hand side plus 1 here. Minus 1 into t is a minus of t. Take 1 right hand side here, it is a minus of 1 here. Therefore, let us consider m is equal to t, 1 minus of t minus 1 here. Consider coordinate of the m as this one here. Then the direction ratios of Pm. Direction ratios of Pm are, so there is a t here. So t minus of this beta here. Okay, t minus beta. T minus of beta. Then here 1 minus of 0. 1 minus 0. Minus t minus 1 minus beta. Minus t minus 1 minus of beta. These are the direction ratios of TMF. Then the line along the vector here whose direction ratio was 1, 0, minus 1 here. Direction ratios of Km. Direction ratios of Km are, so 1, 0, minus of 1 here. Since Pm and Qm perpendicular, since Pm perpendicular to Qm, therefore t minus beta into 1 into 1, t minus of beta into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 0, so 1 into 0 plus, then t minus 1 minus beta, minus t minus 1 minus beta into this minus 1 here. That is equal to 0. Hence t minus beta into 1 becomes t minus beta. Take minus 1 inside here, means multiply each term by minus here. So it becomes a plus t, then a plus 1 plus beta is equal to 0. Then the minus beta and the plus beta cancels here. 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence t is equal to minus of 1 divided by 2. The value of t is minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, m becomes, therefore, m is equal to, t value is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, then 1 here, minus 1 by 2, minus of this value is taken plus here, plus 1 by 2, minus of 1 here. Hence, minus 1 by 2, 1 and 2 ones are 2 here, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So, minus of 1 divided by 2, it is a coordinate of the point m here. Therefore, use the distance formula, Pm. Pm is equal to root of, coordinate of P is this here, beta minus of minus p plus here, beta plus 1 by 2 it's a square here, then plus 0 minus of 1 whole square, so 0 minus 1 whole square, then plus beta minus of this here, minus minus plus here, beta plus 1 by 2 it's a square here. But Pm is this here, root 3 by 2, yes, root of 3 by 2 is equal to root of, then this plus this gives 2 into beta plus 1 by 2 square plus minus 1 square is a plus 1 here. Square root get squaring on both sides here. 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into beta plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 here. Squaring on both sides here. Then take one this side here. 3 by 2 minus of 1 is equal to 2 into beta plus 1 by 2 is a square. 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 here. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into beta plus 1 by 2 square. Cross multiplier, it gives 1 by 4 is equal to beta plus 1 by 2 square. Take a square this side here, it becomes a plus or minus 1 by 2 is equal to beta plus 1 upon 10. Yes sir, 1 upon 2 is equal to beta plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2 is equal to beta plus 1 by 10. Here 1 by 2 cancels here. Yes sir, the value of beta is 0. Beta equal to 0 and here take 1 by 2 this side. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to beta. Yes sir, beta is equal to 0 or beta is equal to minus 1 here. So minus 1 is the answer here. In this case the answer is beta is equal to minus 1 here. So this is one more method to find the answer here.